To everyone, today we are going to do exercise 11.3 question number 12 to 17. In the previous video we had already completed question number 1 to 11. So in this video we are going to continue question number 12 to 17. Okay, now listen. If you are having any doubt, can directly ask me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number you will get from your class teacher. Clear? So here is the 12th question. What is the circumference of a circle? Value is given as, that is 31.4 centimeter. What we have to find it here, radius and the area we have to find. Okay, using this circumference of a circle value, that is 31.4, we have to first find the radius. How we can find it? That circumference of a circle is formula is 2 pi r, isn't it? Circumference of a circle's value is given already. This 31.4 is equals to 2 into 22 by 7. Since it is said that 3.14, so instead of 22 by 7 we are going to use 3.14 into r. So this 31.14 into will be divided into 1 will be divided by 2 into 3.14. Solving this we will get the required answer for the radius, and using that radius we are going to find the area of the circle. Clear everyone? Now the next question, it is said that a circular flower bed is surmounted by a path of 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 centimeter. What is the area of this path? That means one flower bed we are having like this, that means a circle form of flower bed. That means in the circle form garden where we are going to plot the flowers. Okay, so diameter is given, isn't it? Diameter is given as 66 meter. Clear? Now with this diameter 66 we can find the radius, that is divided by 2, it will be 33 meter. So what is the radius of this circle is, that is 33, isn't it? Now in this circle it is said that, and if another circle is surmounted means उसकी चारों तरफ घिरा हुआ है, that will be how much the breadth will be, that is 4 meter everywhere. So what is the first circle to the second circle, what is the diameter of that? That is 4 meter wide it is given. With the help of that we have to find the area of this path. Clear? While doing the solution it will be more clear to you. In the 14th question it is said that a circular flower garden has an area, that means area is already given over here. A sprinkle at the center. Suppose we are having a circle like this. Okay, a sprinkle everybody know, if you are having a farmhouse. Okay, so it is kept at the center of that garden or a park, and it is going to spread the water everywhere. The sprinkle will spread the water in the form of droplets only. Okay, so how much area will that sprinkle covers, whether it will be entire the whole garden or not, that we have to identify it. If the circular flower garden area is given 314, so with the help of that sprinkle radius is given, sprinkle is going to water the garden of 12 meter radius. So with the help of that radius we have to find the area of the sprinkle kept at the center covered the garden. So with that area we are going to compare the area of the flower garden, where it will be, if it is equal or greater than, that means it is the sprinkle water the entire garden. If the area of the sprinkle water will be less than 314, that means it does not covers the entire garden. So while solving the question it will be more clear. Okay, next find the area of the inner and outer circle. Here two circles is being given in this figure. One of the circle radius is given, r1 is given as 19 meter, and other we have to find the r2 value. Here this 10 centimeter we have to find, so 19 minus 10 we will get as 9 meters. So this is the radius of the second circle. So with the help of this two radius we are going to find the circumference of a circle in question number 15. In this question number 16 and 17, simply we have to just find out the circumference of a circle by using the formula 2 pi r. Clear everyone? So one by one we are going to see the solutions. So dear student, if you are having any doubt regarding the questions, please ask me through my WhatsApp number. Clear? So first 12th question I had already explained you, isn't it? What it says, that it is said that in the circumference of a circle value is given as 31.4 centimeter. Then circumference of a circle value, that means formula is what? Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r, isn't it? Now since the value of circumference value is already given, how much, that is given 3.331.4 is equals to 2 into value of pi is given in the question 3.14 into r value we have to find. Then this will become in the denominator, isn't it? Then we have to solve it, is equals to r. Using this we have to find out the formula. Clear? Now as you know that the in the numerator and denominator it is a decimal number. In order to remove the decimal number, denominator will be multiplied with the 10 and numerator will be multiplied with the 100. Why it is numerator is multiplied with the 100 and denominator is multiplied with the 10? Because denominator is multiplied with 10 because in the numerator after 2 digit 1 decimal will be there. So if 1 decimal will be there, 10 will be multiplied in the denominator. In the same way, in the denominator after 1 digit decimal numbers are 2. That's why in the numerator 100 is multiplied. Clear up to here? Now after solving this we will get the radius as how much? 5 is equals to r. How to solve, everybody know na? While removing this, 110 will be divided multiplied in the numerator and denominator. Then with the help of that decimal will be removed and 314 will be get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. What is the number left out? That is 100 upon 2 into 10. So 110 from the numerator and denominator, again it will be get cancelled. So 10 upon 2 is left out, so it will be get cancelled. So again what is the value of r we are getting? That is 5 centimeter. Clear up to here? So after finding the circumference of a circle, with the help of the circumference of a circle we had finded the radius value. So what is the radius value? Is 5 centimeter. Now with this radius value we are going to find out the area of the circle. So everybody know what is the formula for area of the circle is? That is pi r square is the value for the area of the circle, isn't it? Using this formula for area of the circle, that is a is equals to pi r square. As we know that we have to find out the value of area. So pi value in the question it is said that to take it 3.14. Then r we know that is how much it is? 5 square. So 5 into 5 will be 25. So 3.14 into 25. Multiplying this number we will get the answer at 78.50 centimeter square. So what is the area of the circle? Is 78.50 centimeter square. Thus the area of the circle is 78.50 centimeter square. Clear up to here? Then next question, question number 13. In this question, as I had explained you before, a circle is given, okay, its diameter is given as 66 and one more circle is covered outside it. Surmounted, that meant outside one circle is drawn and its width from everywhere, okay, that is 4. Clear? That is how much? That is 4 meter wide. Clear? Now in order, see, if the diameter is 66, radius can be easily find out by dividing it by 2. So 66 will be divided by 2. So what is the radius of this particular part? Inside circle will be, inner circle will be 33 meter, isn't it? So in the same way we are going to find the radius of the outer circle. Now look how to find the radius of the outer circle. It is very simple how to find the radius of an outer circle. Since this one is the outer circle, here up to here it is 4 meter wide, isn't it? The outer surrounded garden path is 4 meter wide. That 4 meter wide will be added to the radius from, if this one is the center to here, okay, from here to here it is how much? It is the radius is 33. Now this 33 will be added with this part. Again I will explain you how it will be. Suppose this is the inner garden whose radius we are having how much? That is 33. Clear? Now the outer circle is there, okay, and that outer circle is 4 meter. From here to here it is 4 meter. That's why this 4 will be added to get the radius of this outer circle. So 33 plus 4 will be how much the radius will be? The radius will be 37 meter. Clear? Now with the help of this two radius we are going to find the area of the flower bed as well as the area of the bed including the white path 4 centimeter. Okay, so area of the flower formula is, area of the flower will be equals to the area of the circle. So what is the formula for area of the circle? That is pi r square, which will be equals to the area of the flower bed. Okay, so using the value of pi is 3.14 into pi value, r value is 33, because we are finding here flower bed, radius of the flower bed, that is 33 centimeter square. Here we will get the value up to here. Clear? Then look the next part. Again we are going to find for the area of the bed including the white part, that is pi r square. R value we have to take it here 37, so 3.14 into 37 into 37 centimeter square. Now after that we will get the answer as 42.9. Here student, 4298.66 centimeter is the area of the path including the white part, and 3419.46 is the value of the flower bed. Okay, so subtracting both the values, first we are going, in order to find the area of the path, first we are going to subtract the area of the wide path, that is how much area is 4298.66 centimeter square will be subtracted with the area of the flower bed. That area of the flower bed is 3419.46 centimeter square. While doing the subtraction, we will get the area of the path as 879.2 centimeter square. So this is the area of the path. Clear everyone? After this, the next question we are going to see, that is question number 14. Here in this question, area of the circular flower bed is given as 314 meter square. A sprinkle at the center of the garden can cover an area that has the radius 12 meter. So listen it very carefully. Listen it very carefully everyone. One garden is there. Okay, one garden we are having. This is the garden, isn't it? This garden is having the area of this particular garden is given as 300, and area of this particular garden is given as 340 meter square, isn't it? Now what is said here, and sprinkle is kept at the center, and the sprinkle radius will be how much? 12 meter. So in order to find the sprinkle area, that means area of the sprinkle covered, the area of the garden will be pi r square. So 3.14 into 12 the whole square, meter into meter square will be. So multiplying this value, how much we will get? That is 452.16 meter square. Since the area of the sprinkle cover is more than the area of the flower bed, that is how much the area of flower bed is? 314 meter square. Thus we can say that the area of the sprinkle cover the entire garden of the flower. Why it is so? Because this one is the, what is this one? A garden whose area is given as 314 meter square. Okay, then one sprinkle is kept at the center. That sprinkle is going to water the area of the garden like this, watering. Okay, so, and while finding the area, while finding the sprinkle area here, its sprinkle area is how much? Sprinkle area is 45216 meter square. So this area is greater than this area, isn't it? मतलब वो sprinkle जो है वो 12 मीटर का है, वो मोर एरिया कवर कर रहा है, गार्डन के एरिया से बाहर भी वो एरिया को कवर कर रहा है. ओके, दैट्स वाई द आंसर इट इज हियर. Thus the area of the sprinkle covers the entire area of the flower bed. Clear up to here? Then after the 15th question. Here in the 15th question, it's a very simple one. The two circle is being given. Okay, one of the circle, it is an outer circle whose radius is given 19 meter. With the help of this radius, we are going to find out the circumference of a circle, of the outer circle. Okay, so circumference of the outer circle will be equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into pi value we have to take it as 3.14 into 19 meter. Okay, while multiplying this we will get as 119.32 meter. Then the radius of the inner circle is how much? Why we, as I during the explanation of question I had already said why the 19 is being subtracted with 10, because first circle we having 19. Okay, then the second circle, again this is the wide is 10, so 19 minus 10 will be how much? 9 meter. So 2 pi r for the inner circle, so 2 into 3.14 into 9, that will be 56.52. so this is the circumference of inner and outer circle. Clear everyone? So thus the circumference of outer circle is 119.32 meter and circumference of the inner circle is 56.52 meter. Clear? Now the next question, radius of the circle, that means radius of the wheel is given as 28 centimeter. According to the question, one rotation is equals to circumference of a circle, so circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r, isn't it? So 2 pi r we are having 2 into pi value we have to take is at 22/7 into 28. Okay, so 7 ones are and 7 4s is 28. So 2 into 22 is how much? 44, and 44 into 4 will be how much? 176 centimeter. Clear? Now it is asked to find the number of times the wheel rotated. Okay, since it is given in the question that 352 meter will be divided, in order to find the number of times of the wheel, it will be divided with 176 rotation, will be divided with circumference of the circle, that's value is 176 centimeter. So dear student, as you know that when the two units are same, then only the division multiplication is happen, isn't it? Since here in the numerator the value 352 is in meter, and in the denominator the value of circumference is in the form of centimeter, so we have to change either the centimeter into meter or meter into centimeter. So here while multiplying the numerator with 100, meter will be changes into centimeter, because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, that's why. So 352 into 100 will be how much? Will be get cancelled. So okay, so let me show you the calculation over here. So 352 into 100 we are having upon 176, isn't it? So 176 in its own table it will be get cancelled by one time, and 352 will be get cancelled in 176 table two times. So 2 into 100 will be 200 times is the answer. Clear everyone? Now the last question of this is again same. It is said about the clock. Everybody know the clock, isn't it? Its minute hand is going to cover the entire part of the entire area of the circle. So minute hand of a circular clock is 15 meter given, that means here we are having its radius of the clock is 15 centimeter. Okay, now since the clock is in the form of a circle, so we have to find here the circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r. Pi value we have to take it as a 3.14, so 2 into 3.14 into 15 will be equals to 94.2 centimeter. So here our exercise 11.3 is completed. Clear everyone? Thank you.